Hey Charmers, welcome back to CharmIQ Tutorials. Tired of your data being trapped in boring tables? Feel like getting insights requires a degree in data science and graphic design? Yeah, us too. But what if you could just ask to see the patterns? What if creating graphs was as easy as having a conversation? Today, we're unleashing the code execution and data visualization specialist Charm. Forget rigid tools. This is about fluid conversational data exploration. Let's start simple. I've got this US median household income data from the Federal Reserve Bank and just put in my reference material. Instead of squinting at numbers, I just ask our Charm. I want a graph to show the trend of the real median household income in the United States over time. The dataset is in the reference material. We'll activate our code execution Charm. Instant visual trend. But wait, this blue is boring. And maybe I want it thicker? No problem. Watch this. See? No digging through menus, no code debugging, just ask. Let's add a source and format the y-axis with dollars. Done. Effortless iteration. Now let's try something different. State-level income data. Usually a nightmare to visualize cleanly, and get this, the raw data I fed him has more than 50 entries. It throws in DC, Puerto Rico, and the US total, the usual clutter that trips up basic tools. But watch this. I tell the dude to do the graph and keep 50 states only. And he understands. He filters out the noise, giving me just the 50 states. No manual data cleaning needed. That's not just plotting, that's comprehension. Okay, vertical bars, but maybe horizontal is better for reading state names. And let's format that income axis. Instant flip. Now, what about extremes? Top 5 and bottom 5? He gave me 2 separate graphs. Useful, sure, but not quite what I envisioned. So, what do? Panic? Write complex code? Nah. We just talk to him again. Let's go back and tweak the prompt. Can you put them in one chart, each with different color? There it is! One chart, 2 distinct colors, clearly showing the highest and lowest. Maryland soaring high, Alabama holding the floor. See how easy that was? We refined the request through conversation, and the Charm adapted instantly. No friction, just insight. This is thinking visually with your AI partner. You ask, you refine, you explore instantly. That's the CharmIQ difference. Ditch the old tools and start talking to your data. Until next time, happy charming.